Hi everyone, this is another video of cold room refrigeration machine of 10 kilowatt at -10 SST of Emerson make. It has a scroll compressor with 2 condensing fans. Beside this there is also anti-room with 1 condensing fan motor and Emerson make compressor. Here this is the pipeline for indoor unit connecting, is suction valve, and this is liquid line valve. It has one brazing and one flaring connectivity. This is suction line to the compressor. It goes to the compressor then and comes out with the high pressure and high temperature gas. It has a high pressure switch to protect the machine. Then it enters to the condenser coil where high pressure high temperature gas will transform to high pressure low temperature liquid. Then it transfers to filter dryer from this line, exits from this line from condenser coil. Then it goes to filter dryer where any impurities will filter from the gas. From liquid filter dryer it will goes to the indoor unit. In indoor we have expansion valve, then to the evaporator coil. From backside of the compressor the line is coming and it is goes to the liquid line. From here we have a flaring connection. The wiring terminals to the condensing unit. This is the LP switch where the low pressure gas will be cut off. Then here the terminals of compressor, fan motor, LPHP, earth, etc. Here I will show you the how to do the terminal connections of this condensing unit. At the end of this video I will show you with the controller. Now I will show you the evaporator for this machine. This is the total condensing unit we are installing now. Let's move to the evaporator. This is the evaporator of star coolers and condensers, and here we have the two side electrical terminal boxes for fan motor and heater connections. Here is the cooling coil. You can see here this is a piping coming from condensing unit, the liquid line which enters to the indoor unit, then to the expansion valve. This is 3/8 copper pipe. This enters to the expansion valve, TES2 expansion valve for R404A gas. Then it enters to the distributor line. It's a flaring joint. This is the distributor from where it enters to the cooling coil. You can see here this is the header line which goes to the compressor inlet. From expansion valve there is a equalizer line of 1/4 pipe. We have to give a tap to the suction line. You can see here we have given a tap to the suction line over here. The bulb also need to be fixed. We have to change the position. It should be at 3 o'clock position. Horizontally it has to be fixed. We have to change its position. Here we have also have the defrost heaters for melting the ice at regular interval. Here we have heater for drain pan also. These are the fan motors of 500 mm each, and we'll move to control panel. Subzero make, model CRC2052. It's the display and below it is the indications. Here is the MCB, main MCB 40 amps. This is SPPR. You can operate from here, on, off. Operating for the controller, for it is here RYB, phase and programs. I have removed these connections. These are the connections for controller. Already I have removed. These are the indications for the connections to be made here. Main power supply will come here to MCB. After this it will go to the contactors, compressor contactor, fan, evaporator fan contactor. This is for defrost contactor. This is room sensor. This is coil sensor. This is the relay single SPPR, single phase preventer. These are the connections. Main supply, it is in 1 2 3. Incoming power supply RYB neutral at connection 1 2 3 4. Then we have 5 and 6 of room sensor, and 7 8 coil sensor, and 9 10 is the communication, and 11 12 13 is the compressor RYB. Then evaporator of 3 phase or single phase, it has given 14 15 16 17, which is RYB and neutral, and 18 19 20 are the defrost. Then 21 22 are the condenser fan, 23 24 liquid solenoid valve, 25 26 are the light, 27 28 are the buzzer alarm, 29 30 is the frame heater for door, 31 32 is the crankcase heater, phase neutral, 33 34 is the oil pressure switch, and 35 36 is the auxiliary relay, and 37 38 39 is the LPHP, 40 41 is the door sensor. I will show you the connection to be made at the condensing unit. Here one is the ground to the compressor, 2 3 4 is the input power supply to the compressor from the controller, and 6 and 8 are the single phase supply to the condenser fan motor, and in 9 10 11 12 are the LPHP switches, in which 10 and 11 we have to give a loop. Then from 36 from the controller we have to give a input to this 10 or 11 loop. Then 9, which is HP, we have to give in to the 37 in the controller terminals. Then LP, which is 38 in the controller terminal, we have to give a connection in it. 13 14 15th are the earth. These are the connections which has to be made from condensing unit to the controller and evaporator. Hope you have liked the video. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe to the channel for more updates on HVAC and refrigeration.